So I'm here today in ESENTEPE. I've come to look at a one-bedroom apartment. This apartment comes furnished. It's a good living space on a very nice development. Very nice furniture there. Take a walk out onto the balcony here. Space for a small dining room table and chairs. Very pleasant views there across to the Mediterranean. But it's all very well done. Nice ceramic flooring. You have air conditioning throughout. Bathroom, shower cabin, WC. Good sized shower cabin. Here we have the bedroom. Good sized bedroom. And you have plenty of wardrobe space there. This property on a nice site. You've got very nice communal pools here. You're very close to ESENTEPE beach. You have two golf clubs, just 10 minutes maximum up the road. You've got many fine dining restaurants here, bars. Just 100 meters away there's a market over there. The beach, as I say, is less than a 10-minute drive. Beautiful sandy beach with plenty of facilities there. Very nice restaurant now. But it's a very nice property on the market at a very good price. Highly recommended.